welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome. Today I'm installing a wig from Outre. Yes, Outre. Apparently I've been pronouncing the name wrong. I've heard it from a wig base that it is now Outre and not Outre, as I've been saying for years. So if you catch me saying Outre sometimes, I apologize. I'm trying to get into this new wave of how the brand is pronounced. So anyways, we are installing one of their new perfect hairline units today. I got it styled and installed right now. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into the installation process. Then I'm gonna tell you guys all the deets and my thoughts about today's unit. So you guys are aware now, this is the Aurabel unit, 28 inches long. I have it in the maple brown color. So the perfect hairlines have a lace frontal effect. This one has a 13x6 lace frontal space, so it's pretty far back with the spacing. I showed you guys that at the beginning too. This has transparent HD lace. It has baby hairs that are included in the wig. Perfect hairlines are supposed to be coming like pre-plucked and, you know, just supposed to be easy, able to wear right out of the packaging. And you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. Just so you guys can see a little bit more details about this unit. It is inside the stock card, and then the back of it will show you guys the other color options that this unit comes in. So if you click on the link in my description bar below, it'll take you to just a website that will show you all of the places that this wig is available for you to purchase online, and then you can check your local beauty supply stores too. They'll be available there. So I really thought this color in the middle was really, really pretty, by the way. I think I'm gonna have to try that one out as well, but we stuck with the maple brown because maple brown is usually one of my favorite colors, and I like the color of this unit today. It looks good. So first, we'll just start off with a little quick rating. Rating this wig, I think I'm gonna have to give her like 7.5 out of 10. It's not my favorite, and the reason it's not my favorite is because of how I wish it would have been a little bit more layered, and the fact that it's just like tangling up so quickly and it's shedding. It's kind of getting on my nerves just a little bit, and I just feel like I had to do a lot of work for it to look how it looks right now, and I really could have plucked out this space right here a little bit more. But I do feel like since I did all of that, it's super cute to wear out. Like, I'm still gonna rock this wig, but like, since it's so long and it's curly, I'm just feeling like the longevity of this unit is not going to be as long as some other synthetic wigs because of how, like, just it looks a little, I don't know. It just when I brushed it out, you see this shedding. When I brushed it out, it was kind of, it just lost the curls that it had, which I know you can use heat and make it more curly, but I hate that the curls fell out so quickly and I don't get that same curl pattern that I'm getting from the stock card. But I still think it's cute though. Like, I'm still rock it, but I feel like the curls just fell out a little too quick for me, and it's shedding quite a bit. So, but I feel like those are the only negative things about it that I kind of caught my attention. The other thing that I really like about it, even though I had to pluck it, it plucked out really good. And once I plucked it out, y'all, that hairline looks really, really good. Like, this is I feel like I haven't had a good blend from a synthetic wig in a long time, and I feel like this blend looks really good. And I also love that I'm able to do so many styles with this one. I think I showed you guys 3 styles: side part, middle part, and then like kind of the hair clipped up a little bit with a claw clip, and just did a little fun look. So you can get many styles out of this, so you're getting your money's worth. It's also very full. I know that when I get curly wigs, I prefer them to have a good density to them so it isn't looking like the ends are falling short or falling thin. And with this one, that is not the case. I do like that this one comes in a bunch of color options as well. So I want to get this one in the color 2 or 1B because I feel like sometimes like natural shades, they wear a little bit different than the colored ones. But that's that. And I also did have to tint the lace on this one because it's transparent HD lace, but when I put it on, it looked way too pale. Like I knew I was gonna have a hard time trying to get that to blend into my skin. So adding that tint spray definitely helped. I feel like you're also probably gonna want to, well, in my situation, I used a little bit of holding spray because I wanted to make sure it really melted into the skin. Without it, I felt like you probably would be able to see like where that lace was starting. Another thing is that it is big head friendly. I feel like I got a lot of space up in this joint. Like if you pull it, you see all that extra space back there. We have a bunch of room in this unit. So, I mean, it's not my top fave, but it's still cute enough that I would pull it out my closet and wear it out somewhere. But I feel like I had to do a lot of work to it, and these curls are just not giving what I want them to give, but I feel like they'll do for the time being. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about it, or have you tried this wig out and do you intend to try it out? It's a long wig, okay? If you don't like long hair, you might want to stay away from this one because it's 28 inches long. You are getting your length, okay? It is a lot of long hair. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you to Outre for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.